Ever notice how every best 3D printer list feels more like marketing than real advice? In this video, 5 best 3D printers, I'm cutting through the noise. I've lived with these machines, tested them in daily scenarios, and I'll show you what actually matters. Speed when you're prototyping, reliability when you're printing overnight, and creativity when you want color or detail. You'll hear the strengths that make each printer worth considering, but also the flaws that could frustrate you. No hype, no filler, just clear, honest guidance, so you know exactly which one fits your needs and which ones to avoid. Stick around because the differences might surprise you. Number 5. CREALITY Ender-3 V3 SE. So here's the thing. Using this printer feels pretty straightforward. You don't spend half your time fiddling with bed leveling because the auto leveling actually works. That's the part I liked most. You hit print and it just gets on with it. Daily use is smooth, especially if you're swapping filaments often. The one-tap load-unload is surprisingly handy. But here's the flip side. It only takes files via SD card. That gets old fast if you're used to wireless transfers. And if you're dreaming of printing ABS or nylon, the heat bed just won't cut it. This is perfect for hobbyists, students, or anyone who wants reliable PLA, PETG, or TPU prints without fuss. Skip it if you need industrial materials or big networked setups. Number 4. Anycubic Kobra S1. I used to waste hours waiting for prints to finish, only to find warped corners or spaghetti messes. That's when I tried the Kobra S1. It doesn't feel like a machine you fight with. It feels more like a tool that just gets on with the job. I can start a print, walk away, and check progress on my phone. The built-in camera even saved me once when a print started to fail. What I love most is the speed. Finishing a benchy in minutes instead of hours changes how you plan projects. The downside? It's a bit much for beginners. The features can feel overwhelming if you only want simple PLA prints. If you're serious about making functional parts or creative multicolor projects, this one's worth it. Number 3. Sovol SV08 Core XY 3D. Have you ever wished your printer could keep up with your ideas instead of slowing you down? That's where the Sovol SV08 comes in. It's built for speed and precision, so you can move from concept to finished part without waiting all day. In daily use, the large build volume means you can print bigger projects or batch smaller ones together, which feels freeing compared to cramped machines. The strength that stood out to me is how versatile it is with materials. PLA for quick prototypes, ABS or ASA for tougher parts, even carbon fiber blends for strength. The downside? It's not exactly beginner-friendly. The advanced features and sheer size can feel overwhelming if you just want something simple. If you're an experienced maker or engineer, this is a powerful tool. If you're brand new or short on space, it's probably not the right fit. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo. I think the Kobra 3 is one of the few printers that actually makes multicolor printing feel practical instead of gimmicky. That opinion comes from using machines where color changes were clunky and unreliable. Here, the Ace Pro system keeps filaments dry, swaps them smoothly, and even backs up spools when one runs out. In daily use, that means you can focus on the design instead of babysitting the printer. The strength is obvious: speed plus color. Printing at 600 millimeters per second while layering 4 or more colors opens up creative projects that used to take forever. The flaw? The build volume isn't huge, so if you're dreaming of oversized parts, you'll hit limits. It's perfect for hobbyists, educators, or designers chasing vibrant, fast prints. Skip it if you need industrial scale or ultra-simple setups. Number 1. CREALITY K2 Plus Combo. Printing a large cosplay prop in one go feels effortless with the K2 Plus. The chamber stays warm, so materials like ASA don't warp, and the hardened nozzle handles tougher filaments without complaint. The strength here is its precision. Layers line up cleanly even at high speed. The weakness is its size. It takes up a lot of space, and the complexity of sensors and multicolor systems can feel heavy if you only want simple prints. This printer is for professionals, engineers, or serious makers who need big, reliable, multi-material projects. It's not for beginners or hobbyists with limited room who just want quick PLA models. That wraps up the 5 best 3D printers. If you want more details, I've left links below so you can explore specs, pricing, and community feedback at your own pace. Use them as tools to figure out which printer fits your projects best. No rush, no pressure. Just take your time and see what makes sense for you. Catch you in the next one.